This is a 2003 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. This coupe has an automatic transmission and a 3.8-liter V6. Features include dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a passenger side airbag, full power accessories, fog lamps, traction control, a keyless entry system, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. With an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, it doesn't compromise fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Siemer Auto Center is located at 735 South Broad Street in Fremont. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.